there's a rain, but the waterfall is so damn crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long since I uploaded my video, but what to do, I was so busy in my life and I can't wait to re-upload some fantastic waterfalls. I cannot wait to share you some beautiful experience from here. I am going to one of the best waterfall located in New York. It's in New Jersey, actually 2 hours from Astoria. So we are almost there and I am so excited to go in the Patterson waterfalls. And now we are heading to the parking lot and I'm gonna show you the sexy view of the Patterson waterfalls, how it looks. Peterson. Okay, and here is my driver, co-driver, co-assistant. Say hi.
Assistant.
All
Oh
right.
my god, no place. No space.
We can find some space. We have some foods here. We brought some apples, banana, and what else? I was trying to eat some cookies on the way. And what else we have?
The owner, how you and your driver.
Only me and her. Can we find parking here?
No, sure. So many people.
Oh, see you next to the red car. So beautiful. Fuck. So finally we have arrived here. As you can see, this is one of the best waterfall in New York. And we are gonna go over there to take a closer look and experience how it is. I have almost saw this kind of waterfalls in India, but this is her first time. So how excited are you?
Very, very exciting.
Very, very
But
exciting.
why? I wanna go there.
See, Bobby.
Show them the whole view, I think.
That's how it looks. This is the down view. And there, on the other side, there is a waterfall. And also the weather is so sexy.
Not that hot.
Not that hot.
Just now was so hot in the sun.
Yeah, now it's so good weather. No big sun. Pure wind. Connected to the nature. And yes, it's dramatic weather. Let's go. Let's go there. Finally, we have came here through this. Last time we were there, and now we are here, taking a closer look of this waterfall. I don't think so. It's that excited, but if you jump there, it will be more exciting. See the waterfall. I don't think anyone can survive there.
You wanna go inside the pool?
Yeah, I think I wanna go there.
But I think you can wanna go more inside. Oh, that side is the waterfall.
In India, at least we can jump in the waterfall, but here we just have to watch it from outside. I don't know what fun is here. But people come here just to see, have a glance, and experience this waterfall. But I don't think so there is such kind of experience if you cannot jump inside the water. Wow.
I'm a little scared here.
You wanna jump or what?
No, but why walk to here?
Should I throw you inside? Should I throw you inside? Okay, let's go.
Wow. See? I
Is
think
this
we
better
need
than Niagara Falls?
This is the second big one here.
Oh, so the Niagara Falls is the biggest one.
Yeah. So, oh, they close a lot. See?
Wow.
They close this
Fuck, we cannot go on the other side.
one. Woo. See?
But at least we can come here. So there is, oh, I can see the biggest waterfall here. See the sexy view. If I drop off my phone here, I don't think so I can get my phone back. See the view. But what's the point? We cannot even jump into waterfall, or we cannot even go into the waters. Ow, fuck, that's so scary. I am risking my phone, my iPhone 14 Pro Max, for you guys to make a video of this sexy place. But you can see this view, the aura of water. I don't know if you can see. Comment down below if you have been here to this waterfall. That's called the Peterson waterfall. And there is a fucking bridge which says you cannot cross. Maybe because this bridge is so old, I don't think so they are allowed to right now. Unsafe, do not cross. But what's the point of keeping this bridge? Oh, but it's okay.
There is more food.
Yeah, I will go. Let's go to the other
Let's
side
go from here.
and then have a greater sexy, have the different kind of look. Okay, let's go.
We can go there. We need an umbrella here.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
that's the water,
It's raining.
kind of raining.
Kind of raining.
Without rain, there's a rain, but the waterfall is so damn crazy.
It will be wide, I think.
You cannot even survive there, I think.
No,
If someone fall down from here.
They will load you to India. Mumbai.
Finally, after walking 15 minutes, समझ नहीं आ रहा भाई ये सब क्या क्या बकचोदी चालू है यार. बट ठीक है, मज़ा आ रहा है. पैसे मिल रहे हैं अपने को, क्या है, बकचोदी करो. बाय द वे अच्छा तो वाटरफॉल है, लेकिन उतना मज़ा नहीं है जितना इंडिया में था. आपने इंडिया में तो उधर उतर के साला चड्डी बनियान पहन के नहाओ, बैंचो दिए, क्या है ये सब बकचोदी. लोग आ रहे चूते ऐसा उधर खड़े बाजू बाजू में, कपड़े वपड़े पहने भाई, लेकिन नहाए के तो नहीं उधर, तो क्या फ़ायदा. ठीक है, अभी बाजू में टकला भी है, ये भी है, अभी क्या करे भाई. व्लॉग बनाओ व्लॉग. बाकी आपको अच्छा लगे तो सब्सक्राइब करो. बकचोदी चालू रहेगी अब जैसे मेरी. जो नए नए प्लेस जाएंगे उसकी व्लॉग बनते जाएगी. आओ इधर थोड़ी और बकचोदी की जाए, सामने से देखा जाए कैसा लगता है. Fuck! Finally we made this side. on the other side, guys. We were here just now, if you remember, on the other side, and now we are here. This side is more big, and also there are so many entrance to this waterfall, and I think that this side of the waterfall you can see the
whole
sexiest view. Yeah, but the thing is, if you go closer to that, the water it's like a rainfall, so I can't even take my cameras closer. I can try, but still, as you can see, the water, the drops of the water is so slow. I mean, so fast. And also, there is a history 190 million years ago. Wait, fluid lava as high as 10-story building. 10-story building rolled in a single flow from 50 miles away and solidified in this region. So you can imagine, like, 2-5-10-15 किलोमीटर से दूर से एक लावा जैसा एक वाटर फ्लो आया था और यहाँ पे आके घट्टा वट्टा करके गया है. तो that's the history, I guess, of Peterson waterfalls. What see? I think so people can enjoy on the other side. See the chair?
Yeah, but
I don't want to do that bullshit thing. Wow, man, that's so deep. So crazy waterfall. But the thing is, we cannot even go. And also, this is the second largest waterfall in New York after Niagara Falls. Yeah? It's just in New Jersey only.
yes.
So Niagara Falls is more bigger.
Oh, no, no. Oh, yeah. Wait. See, let's show them.
But no, my phone will go there.
Ah, it's raining.
Weather
so
is so
big.
nice here. Even if it's the sun, you won't feel it.
So big.
If you want to take a shower,
Let's take a shower.
if you want to get different, you can come here. Let me. Oh wow. The drone shot. Okay, let's go. Let's go to eat something, baby.
Hungry?
I'm little hungry.
Hungry.
Okay. We have some snacks here, but also we are more hungry to do lunch. I wanna go inside now. I didn't went here, but the wind flow is a little smaller, so I can go. We made it! Wow, see the aura, see the energy. बारिश हो रही है, बारिश. But I'm so crazy.
Come back. I'm taking shower now. Where's my shampoo?
शैम्पू, साबुन लाओ, साबुन. मेरे बाल अच्छे हो गए. मेरा फोन की गांड बूंद मर रही है. ठीक है, आईफोन है अपना.
Picnic park.
Picnic.
Yeah. But just now that guy who helped us to took the picture, he made my day.
ऑलमोस्ट देख लिया भाई वाटरफॉल वगैरह. और बहनचोद अभी हिंदी में बनाए गए व्लॉग. गाड़ में गया इंग्लिश. बहुत बना दिया इंग्लिश इंग्लिश इंग्लिश।
भाई
क्या बोलती हो भाई? अभी जा रहे हैं हम कुछ खाना पीना खाने न्यू जर्सी में। सुना है बहुत अच्छे अच्छे इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स है। लेट्स सी। हम लोग अभी अलग अलग रास्ते एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं। अभी हम आए थे ऊपर से बट अभी जा रहे हैं नीचे से। जूइश लोग ये है इधर, हर एक कम्युनिटी के लोग इधर मिल जाएंगे आपको, बट आपको इंडियन नहीं मिलेगी। इंडियन तो सिर्फ इधर ही है भाई। यहाँ से शॉर्टकट है भाई मरने का, जिसको सुसाइड करने का आ जाना इधर। ओके, नाउ दैट्स द व्लॉग, signing off. I'll see you in the next vlog, guys. Tada, and also subscribe. Bye.